Namaskara, this is Shalmali. Today I am showing how to pop amaranth and I am also showing how to make chikki and many other recipes. I have half cup of whole amaranth. This is whole amaranth. You get it very easily in any Indian stores and also it is available on Amazon.com. This is nothing but Jaggary. Take little seeds at a time so that it doesn't burn and each seed pops. By the way, this is not a grain, this is considered as a seed. This pops just like popcorn. It's only that as these seeds are very tiny, it can be a bit challenging to pop. In between you might have some stuck on burnt grains. Just clean it with a clean kitchen towel. Slowly pop rest of the seeds you have. Here I have taken half cup of whole seeds and that equal to 1.5 cup of popped amaranth. I popped some more and made it 2 cups and I used Jaggary about 1 cup. I have used a tablespoon of oil with the Jaggary while making the syrup to make the chikki a little softer to bite and little crunchier so that the chikki kind of stays soft when it is stored for more than a week. This of course has a longer shelf life. And I'm using a pinch of salt here to just bring out the sweetness of the Jaggary and cut the any sourness in the Jaggary. Sometimes if there is higher molasses content in the Jaggary, it can have a little higher sour note in it. So to cut that, salt helps. I haven't used any water or milk to get the Jaggary to melt. So with the oil, it kind of reaches to the right syrupy state very soon. To check if the syrup is ready for adding the popped amaranth, I use this technique. Take cold water in a bowl and drop few drops of syrup into it. And this should easily form into a soft ball. This means the syrup is ready now. You can add the popped amaranth to this. Now press it into a thin sheet. You can use another silicone mat, and you can rub a little oil on it and then just press it and make it to a thin sheet. Most of the chikkis were gone before I took pictures, so I have only small bowl left over. It was kind of light and crunchy. This is a great snack. You can take it on hikes. It is high in protein and very nutritious, and also a great snack to pack for your college-bound kid for a midnight snack in their dorms.